Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Familiar in Anime Vanguard. Familiars are unique units that appear on your field through the abilities of other cards. They are not drawn from your deck, but are generated directly. These powerful allies can significantly enhance your battle strategy, offering additional attacks or crucial boosting power. Learning to deploy and utilize them effectively is a fundamental step towards mastering your gameplay and securing more wins. Calling familiars into play is typically triggered by your Vanguard or Rearguard abilities. For instance, a card might state, "Call one familiar token to a Rearguard circle." Once on the field, these tokens function much like regular rearguards, capable of attacking or boosting other units. They are a fantastic way to increase your offensive pressure, allowing for multiple attacks in a single battle phase and overwhelming your opponent with sheer numbers. Strategically, familiars offer immense flexibility. You can use them to launch additional attacks, forcing your opponent to expend more shield cards from their hand. Alternatively, they can serve as powerful boosters, increasing the attack value of your Vanguard or other key rearguards to hit critical power thresholds. Some advanced tactics even involve retiring familiars to activate specific card effects, turning them into resources for even greater plays and combos. For advanced players, integrating familiar generation into specific deck archetypes can unlock devastating combos. Decks focused on calling multiple units can flood the board with familiars, enabling a high number of attacks in a single turn. Consider the timing of your familiar calls. Sometimes holding back one or two can set up a more impactful play later in the game. Mastering these nuanced strategies will elevate your gameplay, making your familiar-based assaults truly formidable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.